In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preload fonts and images in Dreamweaver. This is a fantastic way to enhance your website's performance by ensuring that key resources are ready to go when your page loads. First things first, open your page in Dreamweaver. This is the starting point for all your edits and where you'll see your changes take shape. Once the page is open, you'll want to click on Split View. This allows you to see both your code and the design, offering a comprehensive view of your project. Split View is particularly helpful because it lets you track changes in real time, providing immediate feedback as you edit your code. Now, let's locate the head section of your HTML. The head is the place where you define resources that should load before the rest of the page. By adding preload links here, you ensure these resources are prioritized. Next, we'll add the preload link for fonts. Type in or paste the following line into your head section: link rel equals preload, href equals font.woauth2, as equals font, type equals font/woauth2, source. This line of code tells the browser to fetch the font early, ensuring text on your page is displayed smoothly and quickly. After that, let's handle the preload for images. Add this line: link rel equals preload, href equals image.jpg, as equals image. By doing this, you're telling the browser that it should load the image as soon as possible, improving the perceived speed of your site. With these lines in place, it's time to customize. Replace font.woauth2 with the name of your actual font file and image.jpg with the name of your important image. It's crucial to use the correct file names to ensure your fonts and images load correctly. Mismatched file names could lead to broken elements on your page. Once you've made those changes, save the file. This step is essential because it ensures all your hard work is stored and ready for the next step. You'll know your file is saved when you no longer see an asterisk next to the file name in Dreamweaver. Finally, press F12 to preview your website. This action opens your default browser and loads your page, allowing you to see the impact of preloading firsthand. You should notice that the fonts and images load faster, creating a smoother user experience. Preloading is an advanced technique that can drastically improve your website's performance. It's particularly beneficial for sites with heavy resources or those aiming for optimal load times. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride towards a more efficient and user-friendly website. Remember, these adjustments might seem small, but they have a big impact on user satisfaction. Always test your changes to ensure everything is working as expected. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can confidently preload fonts and images in Dreamweaver, enhancing your site's performance. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the next video.